So in this video I am going to show you how we are going to reset this tablet. That's if you have forgotten your password and you can't log in, or for some reason if you just want to reset the device so the device is turned off. So what you want to do, you want to hold the volume up, then you want to press the power button. You keep holding so until you get into the recovery option. So it's volume up and the power button. When it turns on, you release the power button. So for us to reset this tablet, you want to use the volume down and go to wipe data, factory reset. You hit the power button, you select factory data reset, and it will say that it was completed here. You reboot the device now. The device turns on and it is reset successfully. So guys, as you look, you can see that the reset was successful, and all that we have to do is to set up the tablet. If you have a Gmail account in it, then you will have to re-enter that Gmail account, as it is for security purposes. If your device is stolen, it will be asking you for your Gmail, but there's no Gmail account in this device, and we are able to skip all these options and we are able to set up the device successfully. So here we are in, and that's how you reset the tablet. There's another way how you can reset the tablet, by going to settings. You scroll down, you go to system, then you go to reset options, and you erase all data, factory reset. This is the other way in which you can reset this device. I hope that this was helpful, guys. And if you're new to my channel, you can go right ahead and subscribe. So as you can see, the device is now being reset, and that's how you do it.